I'm Junior.
And I'm Senior.
And today we are going to be working on my mom's new car. This masterpiece.
It's a 2016 C300 Mercedes Benz 4MATIC. It came with the Sport package. Does have a few options, actually quite a few options, but just like every other car enthusiast, it's never enough.
Today we are going to be working on ghost shadow lights.
Picked these up off of Amazon. They were fairly cheap, like 30 bucks or so.
And the tools we're going to be using are these. I can't read them backwards.
That's all right. Just they're plastic tools that help you detach or remove plastic interior pieces without damaging anything. You start using metal screwdrivers, start leaving imprints, breaking stuff. These prevent all of that.
So today we are going to be putting ghost shadow lights into the engine lights. That's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of work. And yeah, these are what they look like. And I'll show you them real close. Just look there. Here's one. They go in and it shows the logo of the car. So we're going to be using a tool that you used for a hook. So first you put this in there and you, hold on. So then that's, you see how that comes out? Now you see this little guy in here. We're gonna pull you on out. See this? Do not touch that because that's really hot. So, how I was saying, you have to push this thing in like that. You push it and it comes straight out, and that's what it looks like. And it's not that hot. Well, it is still hot. So you see this hole? That has to match up with this little square. So I'm gonna put this in all the way in. Look what it looks like. Mercedes Benz. Now we're just gonna put you all the way in first. Now it's full in. Now look at this. It says Mercedes Benz. So as you can see, it was a really easy process. Without further ado, here are the lights.